Making nested pages in Weebly. So I may have skipped over this in my Weebly stuff, but just so you know, you can make nested pages. Go to the pages right here. I'm going to add a new page. It's going to be called Dan is Cool, which is just so true. All right, so it just popped up right here. There's the Dan is Cool, and then it's going to be down here. And so all I need to do is make another page and say, this is why. So this will be my, this is why Dan is cool. All I have to do now is, you see it says Dan is cool. I just drag this like that and see it, you just drag it to the side a little bit and now it's nested underneath. So if I go over here, it says, you know, this is why. So if you want to change this, you can just come in here and say CGT 116, you know, and that's good. And then I can go back and I can say week one, and then it should say CGT 116, week one. Now, later, you may decide, hey, I want to change the name of this to just modeling, and I want to only put my best models up. Well, in that case, obviously, just change the name to like 3D modeling. And you may just decide, hey, I'm not going to model, but I'd like to keep an archive of my stuff. You can just go into here and say hide in navigation. So if I go like that, now you can see it doesn't come up anymore. You could do that for the whole folder for that matter. I mean, you can come here, same thing, hide in navigation, and voila, it is gone. Publish it and you're good to go. All right, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.